Evening, family. How's everybody doing today on this Saturday? Hopefully everybody is doing wonderfully blessed. It's your boy Hamid G. I am back with a vengeance, baby. My bad, guys. I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a whole week. Your boy is back to work and it's been kicking my butt, guys. Been working some long hours, so I've just been really exhausted, guys. But never fear, your boy Hamid G is back, baby, to break you off the latest and greatest in the Wild Wild West of crypto land. You know, on this channel, we talk about Doge and overall crypto markets. Now, if you're new to my channel, maybe you can help me out with a like, maybe subscribing to the channel. It helps me out with the YouTube algo so we can get this information out to the masses. Or don't do anything at all. I appreciate you just stopping by my channel as a viewer and checking it out. All right, guys, none of this is ever financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Now, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get it, baby. All right, guys, Bitcoin is sitting at 60,968. We are down 0.82%. Not too bad, guys. Bitcoin has been pumping, guys. We hit over 62K on Friday, right? With this whole Bitcoin ETF in the works, and you know what I mean? Hopefully it's not buy the rumor, sell the news, right? But don't be surprised if it is. But nonetheless, guys, I think that Bitcoin is going to continue to push higher and higher, right? You just hold on and get ready, baby, because we're taking this crazy roller coaster ride in crypto. All right, guys, enough of good old Grandpa Bitcoin. Let's dive into number 10, which is Dogecoin. We're currently ranked number 10 on CoinMarketCap. We were sitting at 23 cents for now. We're down 0.55% for the day. 24-hour low was 0.2347, and our 24-hour high was 24 cents. Market cap is sitting at $31.17 billion, and volume is pretty low. It is at 1.27 billion in the last 24 hours. All right, guys, enough of the stats. Now let's dive into the charts real quick. See what's crackling. Let's talk about some levels of resistance and support right now. You know your boy, I'll be looking at the daily chart, guys, when I give you guys, when we look at the chart. Okay, guys, so here, obviously, we have the 21-day moving average, right, which is our level of support. As you can see right here, give me get my doodler, guys, so I can doodle. Oh, man. All right, guys, as you can see, it's been acting as support since way over here, right? Basically, since here all the way here, it's been acting as a very strong level of support, doing its thing, right? Holding us up. And that is at 0.2290, I think it is. Hold on here. Let me get you going here. Yeah, 0.2282. Oh, no. Yeah, it was 90. Yeah, 0.2290. So for you guys, I round that off to 23 cents, right? So now, the 50-day moving average, which is our level of resistance. As you can see, we tested it here, tested it over here, here, and here, guys. In the last 2 weeks, we tested it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. We tested in 2 weeks. We tested it 7 days, guys, and got rejected. So this 50-day moving average is acting as a very, very strong level of resistance, guys. But nonetheless, we will break through this here sooner than later, hopefully. And that is coming in at 24. It's 24 cents, guys, in my opinion. Because it's right at 0.2420, right? That's on the lower end of 24 cents, right? So in my opinion, that's 24 cents. Yes, I know that's pretty close to the level of support, right? You have 23 cents and then 24 cents. That's only 1 cent difference, guys. But nonetheless, both of these levels of support and resistance are critical right now. So that is the key takeaway from this chart right now, guys, is support is at the 21-day moving average. As you can see here, this red line, and that is at 23 cents. And resistance is coming in at 24 cents at the 50-day moving average. All right, guys, now that's what I had for the charts. Now let's dive into some some fundamentals. All right, first, let's get into this one here. This is a good one here, guys. Now it says Dogecoin primed for a 500 to 1,000 multi-month rally if it hits this level, says crypto analyst Justin Bennett. Now, guys, that's huge. A 500 to 1,000% gain in 1 month, right? and he busts the chart, and I agree with him, right? So let's dive into and see what he's saying here. Now, it says crypto market analyst Justin Bennett thinks Dogecoin is primed for a massive rally in its if it successfully recovers, right? Keyword if recovers a key level and retest it as a support. The analyst tells its 78,000 Twitter followers that he thinks meme crypto asset Dogecoin could be a 500,000 to 1,000% multi-month surge if it can reclaim the 24-cent level, which is where we're currently at now. And the reason why he's talking about 24-cent level, why? Because I just showed you guys on the chart, the 50-day moving average is our level of resistance, and that is coming in at 0.2420. That is why he's saying if we can reclaim the 24-cent level, which is the 50-day moving average, which is bullish if we retake it, right? And we flip the trend and make this resistance our support. It says Doge needs to take out the area above 24 cents. Do that and a multi-month rally begins. It says probably 500 to 1,000% of upside if it confirms. According to Bennett's analyst, if Doge can break 24 cents, he expects a short-lived pump to a previous high at 26 cents before retesting 24 and moving higher. At the time of writing, Dogecoin is trading at 23 cents. According to CoinGecko, and that's where we're at now, right, guys? Now, it says the crypto market strategist is also looking at Dogecoin's daily chart, where the meme crypto asset is coiling and forming a large triangle pattern. The formation of a triangle in an uptrend suggests the bullish continuation of an asset once it takes out its diagonal resistance. According to Bennett's chart, Doge has printed the same pattern twice this year. In both instances, the massive run-ups followed the breakout. And he shows you right here, guys. Look at this. Right, look. Okay, we'll start from the little one, right? Because it goes little, medium, large, right? As far as it goes for the triangles. Look at this here, guys, right? We have it here. I wish I had a little thing I can write on here. I don't know how to do that on here. But anyways, we're starting at the bottom, right? As you see, at the bottom end of the slope, right? We break to the upside. Bam! And then it does it again on this medium one right here, right? Bam! And then right now, this is what we're in, right? In a very big one. The top of the triangle here, right? If you see, that's from our all-time high of 74 cents all the way down to where we're currently at now, right? That's the top of the triangle to the bottom of where we're going now, right? And I agree with him, right? Every time we had major breakouts, right? As you can see on the chart here. Now, it says in a recent issue of his market analysis on the Crypto Academy newsletter, Bennett highlights three key price targets for Doge to hit, assuming it can confirm the break above 24 cents. Like I keep saying, this crucial level, guys, of 24 cents, we got to take out this 50-day moving average and make it into our support. If this breaks higher, targets like 32, 42, and 57 are well within reach. However, keep in mind that a daily close above the upper trend line near 24.245 is required to confirm the breakout. So nonetheless, guys, we have to obviously reclaim the 50-day moving average in order for this to possibly confirm and for us to have a monthly breakout between 500 and 1,000%. That'd be massive. Looking at the Doge against Bitcoin, Bennett predicts the pair will break out of a massive falling wedge formation that's been developing since June. It isn't just Doge against the USD either. The falling wedge on Doge BTC is ridiculous. Only a matter of time before it rockets higher. The falling wedge formation is a technical analysis pattern that also suggests a move to the upside once the breakout is confirmed. As you can see right here, right, this major breakout, right, is showing, guys, right, on this falling wedge that's been happening since June. That's why Doge has been just kind of boring, if you will, right? A lot of people are saying, oh, it ain't doing nothing. It's just been ranging between, 23 and 20, blah, 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 blah. Why, guys? Because it's getting ready and primed for a major breakout, in my opinion, right? I totally agree with this guy here on his analysis. All right, guys, that's what we had on this one. Now, let's jump into this other article here. Man, wow, that took 9 minutes. Holy smoke, guys. Thank you if you're still with me. Now, this is according to Motley Fool, and I'm surprised. Why, guys? Because Motley Fool always talks shit about Dogecoin. But in this article, they're actually talking positive. Now, it says 3 reasons to buy Dogecoin. Now it's number 1. I'm gonna try to go through it quick. Now it says number 1, Dogecoin's popularity makes it so. It says back to the high school analogy. If there were a crypto popular contest, Dogecoin's meme standing would make it a contender. The Dogecoin subreddit has 2.2 million sub-shares, right, on its page. Among the most popular names that have endorsed Dogecoin are Musk and hip-hop performer Snoop Doggy Dogg. right? And it says, of course, the fact that Dogecoin is so popular right now, is great. The return Doge has provided investors over the past year alone is a staggering 9,000%. Now, the second reason, right, it says Dogecoin is great for crypto novices. Dogecoin's mountainous volatility during the past year is a deterrent to some investors. Indeed, putting in any significant amount of money into something that can rocket or plummet in a short order requires an iron stomach and the right mindset. Now, it says, however, the investors looking to get into crypto game might want to consider Dogecoin as a great option. Why? It says, well, holding Dogecoin for any extended period of time can give investors a glimpse into what crypto investing is all about. Investing in cryptocurrencies requires a firm belief that a technology transformation is underway and that crypto will soon remake the world as we know it. Yet surges and dips driven by fickle sentiment are par for the course. Investors must be willing to weather the storms as they come. And I agree, guys, right? That's a lot of people, the first asset in cryptocurrency that they've ever invested in is Dogecoin. All right, a lot of people on Robinhood, a lot of millennials, a lot of Gen Zs, right, so on and so forth. These younger generations, right, this is what they know, right? Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Baby Doge, etc., right? The point I'm making is, right, this is how they get their foot into crypto, which is a good thing, right? It's like a gateway drug, if you will, into crypto. Now, the third reason, it says Dogecoin's market position is unique. It says, I think Dogecoin's mining model, inflationary status, and ties to Litecoin are all intriguing. These factors make Dogecoin unique and an intriguing investment for many crypto enthusiasts. And it says, however, given the concerns around the environmental impact of crypto mining, experts are predicting that Dogecoin will shift into a proof-of-stake validation model in which coin holders validate transactions. Such a move may entice investors who are on the fence about older cryptocurrencies. It says, that said, Dogecoin reportedly uses much less energy per transaction than Bitcoin, less than 2%. It says those looking at cryptocurrencies from a sustainable angle ought to like that, right? So the people that are talking about green and blah, 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 which is a good thing, right? This is a good thing what they're talking about, right? Now it says, that said, the fact that there are only 5 billion new Dogecoin tokens created every year means the investors can closely estimate the inflation rate over time. Given the current supply of Doge at around 131.5 billion Doge, this inflation rate works out roughly about 3.8% this year. Additionally, this inflation rate will decrease over time as the denominator gets larger. All right, guys, so they gave three pretty interesting reasons on why you would want to invest in Dogecoin. Obviously, there is numerous other great reasons, right, guys? But these are three okay reasons that they gave. All right, guys. Now, this is what I had for you as far as Dogecoin news goes, guys. Now, let's get into a little bit of crypto news and see what's going on in the overall crypto markets. Now, it says, now hold on tight, guys, because we're going to go down the line quick. If it would load up, my apologies. Come on. It says Bitcoin whales accumulate 4.8 billion of Bitcoin since late September, data shows. It says cryptocurrency analyst firm Sentiment has revealed on social media that Bitcoin whales, defined as entities holding between 100 and 1,000 Bitcoin in their addresses, have accumulated a total of 86,700 Bitcoin over the last 2 weeks. According to the firm, these whales accumulated Bitcoin worth over 4.8 billion at press time in such a short amount of time and now hold 21.3% of the flagship cryptocurrency total supply. The accumulation implies they bought the dip, expecting a move higher. All right, guys, this is just another article to show you that people are buying the dip. You know what I mean? That Bitcoin's not going nowhere, guys. In cryptocurrency, I keep telling you guys, right? In hopes, right? None of this financial advice, right, guys? But those of us that are going to continue to invest in cryptocurrency are going to make life-changing wealth, guys. And I want to become a crypto millionaire. I want you guys, as my viewers, as my subscribers, to also become rich, man, with this crypto, man. This is like once in a lifetime situation that is happening and unfolding before us, guys. All right, next article. Bitcoin bullish sentiment is back among institutional investors. Report, it says ARC-ANI research says the activity on CME indicates that institutional traders have returned to Bitcoin. CME is attracting a large share of Bitcoin futures trading activity in October. ARC-ANI research says that the indicator of bullish sentiment from institutional traders. Why, guys? Institutional money. There is major money coming from these people. They have deep pockets, guys, and they're continuously investing in Bitcoin and other crypto assets as well. Why? Because they see the potential for profits, right? Because we're in the beginning stages of adoption of crypto, guys, and there's plenty of money to go around for everybody. You know what I mean? All right, I'm going to close out with this article here. It says over 85% of circulating Bitcoin has not moved in 3 months or more. That is huge, guys. Obviously, if it's not moving, not circulating, right, guys, that means people are hodling, which is a good thing. It says, although Bitcoin has nearly doubled its USD value in 3 months, holders refuse to sell their coins, shows Glassnode data. Now, why? Why don't they want to sell, right? They don't want to sell because they know that there is plenty of money to be made, guys. I know I keep repeating myself like a broken record, man, but I'm trying to drill this into your guys' head. All right, guys, this is what your boy had for you, man. I'm sorry that I've been gone all week, but I'm back, baby. So stay tuned for another video tomorrow. You guys stay safe and stay blessed. Your boy Jaime G is out to the mall. Peace.